nani kugerera kuria nenda-ini citu cia ukinyaniria kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @muthingi TV, kuria mwena wa Facebook ni kwa Muthingi TV. Ritwa riakwa ni Waithiriro wa Njoroge, na tukiambiriria ni ati Mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi ni ekirite kirore watho wa ugai wa kigina kuri thrikari cia matuura wa mwaka wa 2023 o undu umwe na kigina kia maiganania kia mihang'o iria ihanikite thiungiraini wa iregi, na maya mokite kurumirira kuhetukio kwa watho wa kigina wa mwaka wa 2023 uria President Ruto ekirire kirore kiumia kihetuku.
Pursuant to Article 115 of the Constitution for the presidential assent of two Senate bills, being one is the Equalization Fund Appropriation Fee Bill 2023 and the County Allocation of Revenue Bill 2023. Sir, the first bill, the Equalization Fund Appropriation Bill, Senate Bill number 3 of 2023, was passed by the Senate on the 15th of June 2023 and subsequently the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. County Allocation of Revenue Bill, Senate Bill number 16 of 2023 was passed by the Senate on 6th June 2023 and similarly received the seal of approval of the National Assembly on 21st June 2023. Both houses of Parliament having discharged their lawmaking mandate, Your Excellency, as the head of government and state, is most graciously invited to exercise your presidential prerogative to assent to the bills. With Your Excellency's kind indulgence, but permit me now to invite the following members of the executive alongside the parliamentary leadership to witness Your Excellency. Your Excellency, sir, I now invite the clerk of the Senate, Mr.
Tugithie na mbere na ici cigimaine na mutongoria wa bururi ni ati mutongoria